these are the brand new main elevators at the Assembly, University of Pittsburgh, in Bloomfield, Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are brand new Schindler 5500s. Oh wow, look at that back wall. That's nice. Are these carded? Yeah, they're carded, but let's see. Oh, that's not locked though. That's open. Here we go. $350 feet a minute. My garage costs $350, so that's not surprising.
Floor 5.
You're at 5. Door's kind of slow. Is basement 2 open? No.
Elevator is going down.
Basement 1 is open. It's a basic stainless steel cab with a nice wall in the back. Has a historic image. That's cool. Surprised me there's no camera in the elevator.
Basement 1.
For basement 1. Go back up to 1.
Elevator is going up.
Yeah, again, the door's kind of slow. Let's call it 1. For the, I guess for the entire complex.
Floor 1.
You make it 1. And here's the crane shed. Very nice. You're gonna close this and that's gonna be it.